Bro.
What's up?
What are we going to do?
We're going to go see a Q and get rid of this RX-8.
Ooh. Bye-bye to the RX-8. No. It's going to be gone. Y'all already know. Ooh. My rims are finally clean. I finally fucking cleaned them. But we're about to get on the road and go to where? Marietta?
Marietta? No, we're going to... Yeah, Marietta.
Yeah, Marietta. To go look at some cars and see what happens. So I'll keep vlogging, keep y'all updated, alright? Okay.
What's up? Welcome back to the vlog. We have made it to, well, we already dropped off the RX-8 at the shop in under an hour from Athens.
It's awful. It's
and we had traffic too.
It's so bad.
Oh, so many terrible fucking drivers. Yeah, we saw one in the queues, but it's 2015. I was looking at 2014. Man. He said at first he said they sold it, so we're gonna see if we can find it. Maybe not.
But that was the 2015 that you said
that
sold.
was 2015.
So we gotta find the 2014. Yeah. But you already know I found some 370s. So I had to. It's dropped off. Okay. I gotta go.
Oh my god, the rims on the second one are nice compared to the first one.
I know. Drop top's gross. As is, no dealer warranty. That's how all these motherfuckers are. Oh, it's automatic. It's perfect. I could be a Tyreek. I could. They got Jeeps. I got all kinds of shit over here. What the fuck?
I mean, there's a really creepy way on the way in here.
Yeah. It's like in the woods.
Yeah, you turn right and there's like two like warehouses, and you have to like drive in between the warehouses and drive like a good like half a mile before you actually get to this section.
It's very sketch. Very sketch. There's some nice ass Jeeps. Dude, everything here is as is.
Of course it is.
That is awful.
But while we were driving over here, literally every dealership had like the most fucking expensive fucking cars over here.
Hellcats, everything.
AMGs, the Lambos,
Yeah, there's a Lambo.
Fucking, oh my god. I don't know why Marietta has such.
Dude, so many trucks. Oh, hey, bae. Oh, sorry, I found bae.
What is it?
It's a Hemi. What the fuck? It is a Hemi 2500. Awful.
It has to be
awful.
Has to be what's called?
Diesel ball. Ooh, that all-terrain's nice though. Oh, 5-0.
Yeah, I told you it was a Mustang.
This way. This is the way. Oh, found it. It's on the other side.
Really?
Right there. Yep. What? They have an RS3 here? What the fuck? Yeah, it's an EcoBoost. Hey, K. That Porsche, though. Dude, they got some nice ass shit. Slick. They got S7s.
How many Audis in this lineup? Jesus.
I don't know, dude.
Lex.
F Sport.
Lex.
F Sport. Red interior. Sex.
That's it. Is it a G?
Yeah.
That's cute.
Yeah, it's the coupe. You want a photo?
Oh, it's the Q50S.
This one's got 34. That's a 3.0 though.
Yeah.
I think this is the 2014. Yeah, here it is. 2014. 2018. Oh no.
That's the 2.0. This is the one that's next.
Sold. Yeah. That one's a Q30. Nah.
Oh, this is the one I was looking at.
Yeah.
Because this is the 2.0. This is the.
That's a 2018. This is a 2014.
God damn. The 2014 also has the logo on the seats.
Oof. Looks clean.
Yeah, that's right. It looks clean.
How much was it?
500.
Not bad.
The other big things are. What is the fucking Corvette there anyway?
Where? Oh, hi. Bougie. This whole dealership is bougie.
I don't know how the fuck they got all these cars in this like weird ass one. We're surrounded by trees at a dealership. This is the weirdest thing ever.
We're literally in the woods. This one's nice. It's a straight Q50 though. It's not an S, ain't it?
Yeah, no, straight Q50. The closest S I found, like actual S near here, was in Tennessee.
And you could take it to Brian, get the taillights tinted. He can do your headlights. He can do a full chrome delete.
Oh, and then I also found out I originally wanted the S so I can get the splitter for it.
Yeah,
there's a splitter for the premium.
Yeah, Brian can make you a splitter. That's what he does. He makes custom parts. Carbon fiber cover, please.
Oh, 100%. I'm getting that carbon fiber steering wheel. 5% black tint all around.
Ooh, that's what I want to do, dude. I found this one site where they send you a steering wheel and then you send them theirs and then they send you your money back. It's like stupid cheap. It's like $200. Seems very sketch. I kind of don't want to do it, but at the same time, carbon.
There's also a conversion kit to swap out this premium bumper for the sport bumper. The one that looks way more fucking aggressive.
Yeah.
He was on Z1 Motorsports. I was like,
See, that's what my bumper looks like. It looks like an obese whale.
I fucking hate those. I like these. They actually have looks to it.
Yeah.
I know the other normal ones, the ones that aren't pink, look a little bit different.
Looks clean though, but it's fucking appointment only, so we can't really look at it.
Call right now in this parking lot, make an appointment for it. I don't give two shits.
Slick.
What they're gonna do? Reject me?
Yeah.
There's a reason y'all threw the manual in the back, because y'all couldn't open it. And if y'all were to fix everything... Oh, look. Actually, now think about it.
Are you still there?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Oh.
Okay. They're suggesting taking it to Mazda because none of them really mess with rotary engines, so they don't know exactly what they'd be looking for, if that makes sense.
So they wouldn't be able
to
diagnose it, nothing?
Right. They wouldn't be able to tell, because they're not really familiar with the rotary engine.
Okay. All right. Appreciate that.
All right.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Is there a Mazda there?
No, the closest one is in Buford. That's the one I went to. It's not happening, my guy. It's not happening.
Wow, Georgia Mazda.
That's where I went, and they charged me $200 for a diagnosis. And all they did was deflood.
$200?
Yes.
And they deflooded it?
Yeah. They deflooded and oil changed. I didn't even ask for the oil change.
So they did the oil change.
And it costs less than the 2015 they have there.
$20,000. You can go buy
20. I'd get a 5.0. What the hell?
Buy a 5.0.
I'll go to that Ford in Athens right fucking now, and I'll get. You
can go get the fucking Corvette.
I could get the Corvette that's there.
And they wanted 20.
20 fucking nah. You gotta be shitting me.
Corroding goddamn car. It's gotta be from the north, dude. I wonder.
Nah, it's from Florida.
Hell yeah! What the fuck? No, never get a car by the beach.
Yeah, that's what.
I bet that whole underside is rusted. The
Carfax said they were going to Coconut Creek, Florida, Infinity.
Yeah, that bitch is rusted. Oh, go get in the car. Let's go. Go get in the car. Let's go.
No.
Alan, this is gonna take fucking forever.
We did not come here. I did not wake up that early just to try to go to.
We woke up that early and it's still sitting outside. It's 1 o'clock.
Yeah, but I'm not going to spend more time at another fucking dealership after I already brought it here. I'm committed to this place now. It's too late now.
I'm not. I woke up and drove all the fucking way here.
I did too.
We both about fucking died the whole way here.
Traffic over here was fucking terrible.
So bad. Grandpa didn't give a shit about his Honda. Cut off a truck and almost clapped the back end of a semi.
I like how that motorcycle was with us basically the whole way over here up until we got on I-85.
On the Hayabusa, dude. If he got on it, he was gone.
I was surprised he didn't just gas it.
I was trying to fuck with him, and he was like, but he didn't. He was like, dude, if I hit
when
this,
I got to the light, and you know how he like revved it once before he actually like took off. I was expecting him to like take off, but he was going the same speed as me. I was like, what are you doing?
Yeah, he ain't
He ain't about the life.
72 close.
Dude, you don't know how much shit I get on like forums and Facebook for having an automatic RX-8.
You bought an automatic RX-8? You must have fucking retardation.
Let's go in there. I'll ask while you use the bathroom.
Good, because I'm about to fucking piss myself.
Let's go! See, he says he wants to leave, but he won't get up either.
Dude, because I'm about to piss myself if I get up.
Shut the fuck up.
Okay, let's go.
I might have to tell him, no, let me leave the RX-8 and take the RX-7 home.
They're gonna tell you to your face you're smoking fucking crack.
Alright, we'll be back after this. Inside a place called Mask Hair. Look at that clean ass RX-8 outside. Nah, it's ugly shit. Dorito. Yeah, we're just waiting right now because my car's fucked.
Absolutely destroyed.
100% fucked. Something. It's terribly fucked. We'll get back to you.
You heard it?
Yeah, it sounded like a fucking trumpet. It sounded like a 350. It's as soon as you accelerate, god damn, your tire.
Shit.
That's what it is. Did you get like a screw in it or something? Did you get a screw in there or something? That's what the fuck you hear. It's probably just your rim hitting the fuck out of the street.
Oh, fuck, it blew up.
Really?
Yeah, it's right here.
Where?
Right there, that's center line.
Oh yeah. Now you really need a fucking tire, huh? We were just on the way out from here too. It turns out my RX is gonna need more fucking tests, but then right now, was that you? Is that you that beeped at me when we were like at the light? Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit.
I'm riding on my fucking rim.
Holy fuck, dude. Yeah, it popped.
Oh, thank fucking God. Hold on, I'm gonna try to pump it up and roll and try to find what the fuck's going on. And then,
You have like a water or something, you just pour it out and see where it fucking pops out?
and I'm gonna see what's wrong with it, and I'm gonna try to find the tire shop, and I'm gonna go buy a tire real quick. Fuck. Okay,
Literally right on the way back home.
you there? I'm sorry, baby. I love you. Bye.
Jesus Christ. Today is not the day.
Fuck me. God, dude, I'm just happy I got a fucking bike pump in this bitch.
Cause I was like, dude, I've never heard your car sound like that.
I got no air in this fucking thing.
Nothing, dude. That's what I'm saying. You're riding on all rim right now.
It's not even holding air.
It's not.
I don't see. Oh, there it is.
Found it?
No, that's just fucking.
It's probably on the very bottom then.
Yeah. But it's. Here, look up shops.
He will update the vlog whenever we're past us.
So yeah, we're in fucking Atlanta. You boys got a flat. I filled it up with a bike pump and got it to Tires Plus. And we got the spare out. I'm gonna have to put the spare on.
You forgot he had to spare.
Yeah, I forgot I had a spare. Get it to Athens. And then get all new tires. Cause that one's got a nail. This one's bald as shit. That one's about damn bald. That one's about damn bald. So yeah, it's time for tires, 100%. So we'll get that all figured out. I'm gonna get tires as soon as I get back, and we'll be good to go. Yeah.